Module 19, Lab 2, Task 1, exploit open S3 buckets using the AWS CLI. All right, on our Parrot security machine, we're going to click the Mate terminal icon in the menu to launch the terminal. Get root access and CD enter to jump to the root directory. All right, in the terminal window, we're going to type in pip3 install AWS CLI and press enter to install the AWS CLI or command line interface. All right, once the installation is completed, we're going to type in AWS tac help and press enter to check whether the AWS CLI is properly installed. Ignore any errors if you find any. Now we need to configure the AWS CLI. To configure it in the terminal window, type in AWS configure and press enter. It'll ask for the following details: the AWS access key ID, the AWS secret access key, the default region name, and default output format. To provide these details, you need to log in to your AWS account. Go ahead and click the Firefox icon from the top section of the desktop. Now, I do recommend that you create a complete burner AWS account since you're going to be logging into this using a public machine, which is never advised. All right, log into your AWS account by going to console.aws.amazon.com and press enter. And again, if you do not have an AWS account, create one with the basic free plan, then proceed with the tasks. The Amazon Web Services sign-in page appears. We're going to type in your email account in the email address field and click next. And I've created CEH V12 AWS at gmail.com as a burner account. All right, my password and enter. And again, not recommended that you save credentials in a public machine. If a security check window appears, enter the CAPTCHA, click submit. Click the AWS account drop-down menu and click security credentials. Click access keys. Access key ID and secret access key. Click the create new access key button. And then a create access key pop-up appears, stating that your access key has been successfully created. Click on the Show Access Key link to view the access key. Copy the access key ID by pressing Control-C on your keyboard and switch to the terminal window. In the terminal window, right-click your mouse and select Paste. From the context menu to paste the copied access key ID and press Enter. Switch to your AWS account in the browser and copy the secret access key. Paste it in. Oops. I feel like that didn't copy right. And press enter. It'll prompt you for the default region name. We're going to type in EU TAC West, TAC 1, and press enter. In the default output format, leave it as default and press enter. For demonstration purposes, we've created an open S3 bucket with the name Certified Hacker 1 in the AWS service. We're going to use that bucket in this task. All right, let us list the directories in the Certified Hacker 1 bucket. In the terminal window, type in AWS S3 ls S3 : / bucket name, where our bucket name is Certified Hacker 1, and press enter. This will show you the list of directories in the Certified Hacker 1 S3 bucket, as you can see on my desktop. Now maximize the browser window and type Certified Hacker. We're going to open a new tab. Certified Hacker 1 .s3.amazonaws.com and press enter. This will show you the complete list of directories and files available in this bucket. Go ahead and minimize the browser window and switch to terminal. We're going to open a new terminal window. Actually, we're going to stay in the current window, or current terminal. We're going to type in echo "You have been hacked" into hack.txt and press enter. By issuing this command, we're creating a file named hack.txt. Now we're going to move the hack.txt file to the Certified Hacker 1 bucket. In the terminal window, type in AWS S3 mv hack.txt to S3 : / Certified Hacker 1 and press enter. All right, you've successfully moved the hack.txt file to the Certified Hacker 1 bucket. To observe whether the file is moved or verify it, switch to the browser window, maximize it, and reload the page. And there it is, hack.txt. All right, minimize the browser and switch back to the terminal window. Now we're going to delete the hack.txt file from the Certified Hacker 1 bucket. In the terminal window, type in AWS S3 RM S3 Certified Hacker 1 / hack.txt and press enter. By issuing this command, you've successfully deleted the hack.txt file from the Certified Hacker 1 bucket. All right, to verify whether it's deleted, switch back to the browser window and refresh the page. The hack.txt file is deleted from the Certified Hacker 1 bucket. Thus, you can add or delete files from open S3 buckets. This concludes the demonstration of exploiting public S3 buckets. Go ahead and close all open windows, and that completes our lab.